Let me show you how to connect your Facebook to Instagram. This will reduce the stress of posting manually on multiple platforms by automating your posts. This will allow you to post once on one platform and it will reflect everywhere, boosting your productivity, okay? First and most important step is to switch your Instagram account from a private account to a professional business or creator account.
Tap the three horizontal lines, scroll down, tap account type, now switch to professional account. Here, you will get access to insights, run ads, and features like bonuses or subscriptions when eligible. Tap next, choose the category that best describes you. Creator, entrepreneur, brand. You can display this category on your profile if you want. Tap switch to professional account. Next, select from this available option the category that best suits you. Under creator, we have influencers, public figures, content producer, artist. For this demo, I will go with business. Pick the one that suits your goals. Next, add your contact info like your email or phone number. You can choose to hide your phone number if you prefer. Now your profile is set up as professional. To connect to your Instagram account from Facebook, open your Facebook from the web browser, click on your account profile to the top right corner, and we are going to be switching from your personal profile to your Facebook page. Click on your profile icon again, click on settings and privacy, click on settings. Now scroll down and click on link account. If you want to connect your WhatsApp, you can click here and connect your WhatsApp. But in this case, we are connecting Instagram. So click on Instagram, scroll down, and when you connect your Instagram, these are the options you will have access to, the features you will have access to. Now click on connect account. Go ahead and read all these information here. I'm not going to go into that. Just pause and read the information. One major thing I want to point out here is that it is written here boldly that you can only connect an Instagram professional account to a Facebook page, which is why we did that connection from the beginning. After reading the informations, go ahead and click on connect, read the informations here again, and click continue. Click on login as your name. Go ahead and read the informations here again. Click continue. And from here, if you follow this exact process, you will successfully connect your Facebook and Instagram together. In some cases, you might experience this error, saying they couldn't add your Instagram and Facebook account together. The reason you might encounter this problem is because if when you were trying to connect it, you turned off this feature that says choose Instagram message settings. If you turn this feature off, that is when you will be getting that error. So what you simply need to do is to go back a step and turn this feature on. But just in case you are unable to turn it on from this page, let me show you another way to do this. Now go back to your page profile, click on your profile icon image, scroll down, click on Meta Business Suite, scroll down, click on All Tools. Now click Add Limit per Page. When you click on it, you are going to be having this error. Don't panic, just refresh your page for like 3 to 4 times and this error is going to disappear and the page will load normal. There's something I want you to notice here. The information here says some features will be unavailable until you confirm that people who manage your Facebook page can also manage your Instagram account. When you're connecting both of them together, just know that anyone who have access to any of the two has already have access to another. If someone have access to your Facebook, they will gain access to your Instagram as well automatically. So make sure you trust the people you add as an admin in any of these two platforms. Now click on Get Started. Go ahead and read the information on this page. Once you are done, click Confirm Connection and turn this feature on. Then click Continue. And it's going to take us back to that other page. Then you click Login as your name. And you can see right here the connection has been confirmed. Now I have connected my Facebook and Instagram together. And if I go to my profile now on Meta Business Suite, you can see the two of them are now connected. Now, if you want to connect it using your phone, open your Facebook app, click on the menu icon, scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down and click on Settings, Scroll down till you are able to find link account. Now click Instagram, click connect account. Go ahead and enter your password and click continue. If you follow this exact process, you will be able to connect your Instagram and Facebook together using your phone. This is how to connect your Instagram to Facebook from the Instagram app. The one we did earlier, we connected from Facebook to Instagram, but this time we want to connect from Instagram to Facebook. Any options that work for you, you can follow. From your home page, click on your profile icon to the bottom right corner. Click on Account Center. Click on Profiles. Click on Add Account. Now click on Add Facebook Account. Click Continue. Go ahead and log into your Facebook account here. In case you get this error that your password is not correct, there's no problem. All you need to do is they've sent you a verification code to your WhatsApp, the number connected to your Facebook account. Just go to your WhatsApp, copy the code and paste it here. Click Continue. The next thing they are waiting for is a confirmation from any other device where you are connected to. If you are connected to your Facebook or you log into your Facebook in another device, you need to approve these login settings. And if you are not getting all these security settings, your account might be in danger. You need to fix all this. I've made a full video teaching you or showing you every security settings you need to do for your Facebook account and Facebook page. The link is in this video description, or you can just click the link displayed up here. So I will open my Facebook now and I will authorize this login by clicking yes, it is me. For you to see this authorized message, you just need to go to your Facebook notification and you will see the notification there. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page and you can now authorize it by clicking yes, it's me. The next thing you are going to do is to update your password. I'll go ahead now and change my Facebook password to a new password. Once you are done changing it, just click continue. Click OK. The next thing we need to do is to now connect the two of them together. So to do that, we are going to be opening your Instagram app. Click on your profile icon to the bottom left corner and you are going to click on Account Center. Click on your profile, click on Add Account, click on Add Facebook Account, and now you can see the two accounts are here. The next thing for you to do is to click continue so that you'll be able to connect these two accounts together. Before you allow and finish adding, there's something you need to notice here, and it says we will combine and use your info across accounts to provide things such as convenient settings and more personalized experience. Once you connect your two accounts, the information there are going to be synced to each other. So any action you carry out on one profile, it will appear on the other profile. Do you understand? After this, click on allow and finish adding. Now, if you want to sync your profile together, maybe when you change your profile picture on your Facebook, it will change on Instagram too. Whatever you do on Facebook will appear on Instagram. Whatever you do on Instagram will also appear on Facebook. Just click on either of these accounts, Facebook or Instagram, and click on your profile. And here it says sync profile info, and you can now decide to turn it on if you want to sync the two profiles. Now there's one last thing we need to set up. Go back, scroll down and click on cross posting. Now make sure you turn these three features on, meaning whenever you post something on your Instagram, if you post on story on Instagram, the story will appear on Facebook. If you post a picture on Instagram, it will appear on Facebook. If you post a reel, it will appear on Facebook. So make sure you turn these three features on. For us to see if this has been done properly, I'm going to upload something to my story now. Click on this plus icon and I'm going to select one of my picture and I'm going to add it to my story. And below here, you can see the logo of Facebook beside my profile picture here. So if I click on add to your stories now let me quickly show you another thing before we go to Facebook to go and see if what we've done so far is correct. Click on post. I'm going to select one of my picture again. I will add music as if I want to post something truly. Then you click on next, scroll down, and here you can see also share on. Click on it And we have all these options here. If you want to post anything and you don't want the post to go on your Facebook or your any other platform, you can just come here and turn any one of them off. That way, anything you post will only be limited to that platform you post it. It won't auto post to all other platforms. You have control over what you post. Now let's head over to our Facebook, and on my story here, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to view my story. You can see the image we posted on Instagram story is now reflecting on our Facebook story.
Was this helpful? Don't forget to subscribe and follow this page for more tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.